Hey, have you heard of this couple? They're currently traveling around the world and reinventing themselves again. Can you imagine? Going back and resetting your life again? I know, right? Well, yeah, they are already doing it. Look, and you can call them Aey and Mel.
Morning! On the way to walk around Marjanishvili. It's one of those rare times where there's not much people around, so it's too early. This is 9 a.m. So everything is almost just close. Oh, I didn't know people jog here. So fun fact, in Georgia, summer can get up to 36 degrees. Yeah.
We don't know if it can get higher like
Yeah.
in Vietnam.
Yeah.
In Vietnam, it's humid.
But the main difference here is that since the homes have high ceilings, when you're inside, well, for us, our house has it's not in the direct sunlight, so it's pretty cool.
Which is windy.
Yeah, when it's shady, it's cool because we were in Vietnam when we started our journey. 36 degrees is different, so something to keep in mind of. A fun fact is when it's summer here in Europe, in Australia and Argentina, it's winter. So if you are trying to beat the summer heat in Europe, you can either head to Argentina or Australia. Just a random fact. You see, the thing about Georgia, it has a lot of trees. Well, this area that we're in, a lot of nice shades. So it's nice and breezy, even though it's peak summer. Yeah, it gets like 0 to, well, not literal 0, but like 0 to 100 real quick, like 0 to 40 degrees, well, 36 degrees. But
Literally, most of the stores are full cars.
yeah.
And look, there's another one.
It's like, you know, like shawarma is also one of the local foods here. That's why you see a lot of shawarma here. So this is where nomads go. Like there's a coffee store there and then a gym. So if you're a digital nomad and you're looking for other digital nomads, that's where they hang out. On the way to the center. So near here is the train station.
The actual Marjanishvili.
This is the Marjanishvili Street. And coming up here is probably the only place that is always open. Dunkin' Donuts. Very big here. So this is the main city area. All the way there, there'll be like still restaurants and some theaters. Almost always like stray dogs sleeping. There's another Dunkin' Donut across the street. So that's how big it is here.
There's a lot of dogs here with pins.
Check their ears.
Their ears, if they have pins or not. Oh,
Ear
this
tags.
one don't have.
Vaccine.
So yeah. And also here in Marjanishvili, there's a lot of fabric stores that you can see randomly, like this one. And it's all the platform. Also a lot of random markets here, like open markets like this one. And this clothing store. There's also a few cafes.
Nice to our Brazilian friends.
There's actually
Brazilian.
coffee from Brazil maybe. But what's the name of this? It's not showing if it's a Brazilian coffee though. Is there a mark?
Yeah, there you go. Colombian.
Yeah. There's also a lot of bakeries here that sells desserts. Just like this one. This bakery is 24/7. There's another dog over here chilling because it's pretty warm. And there's another bakery just on the other road, the other side of the road. And that market over there is just opening. That's how late they open here.
It's 9 o'clock.
Yeah.
9:30.
This one has an ear tag. It's yellow. So that means it's vaccinated. Another fruit seller, vegetables, so colorful. Marjanishvili. There's also a salon here, of course. What else? This is a street heading to back to our Airbnb now. As you can see, there's a lot of machines to top up your train card or your public transportation card.
This is like the perspective shifts in Georgia. Like the other side is like touristy, and then the other side is like very
Neighborhood, what they
gritty.
call. You're walking around in Tbilisi. There's a lot of poops from the dogs
Ditches.
and ditches. So just be aware and take note of that when you're walking. Of course, when you're crossing the road, apply what do you call this? Special caution. Don't assume this car will stop for you. It's just like, yeah, this is the perfect example. If you're not staring on the floor and you're not aware, you might fail there. Yeah. That's just it. Anywhere, actually, anywhere around the world, you need to be aware when you're
Yeah, it's more prominent
on
here.
the streets. Yeah. So the winery, the wine cellar is near. Yeah, I haven't checked that one, but maybe in a day or two. So I've heard this wine cellar is nice inside. Wow, I feel like we're in a hotel.
It's very nice.
Yeah. And yeah. This Airbnb's pretty new. I think we're the third person, like group, like we're the third guest to stay here. So the whole accommodation is still pretty fresh. Look at that. You know when a place is
High quality.
high quality when they have this the slippers, the towels, and yeah.
The furniture.
Yeah, it's so pretty. Pretty
Sure.
nice. Yeah. And like the way the host literally accommodate us and respond to all our queries is very
So,
professional.
we're in another part of Tbilisi.
Yeah.
I guess like based on the title you would already know.
Mm-hmm.
So we've been staying in a station called Ablabari, and this
Ablabari,
one
yeah.
is a different one. So check out the. We're gonna explore this area altogether. It's a completely different area, and we'll explore what are the things to do, places to eat, and everything in between.
And what other hidden gems that we might discover. Yeah, so. And luckily the AC just came in yesterday right on time because Tbilisi is getting warmer now.
Summer in Tbilisi is no joke.
Exactly. And also this is the bathroom. And also, cannot forget the kitchen, which is over here. They already have a laundry, so you don't need to worry about it. And then our host, oh, she also left us some teas, coffees, and chocolate. Oh, it says fine gold. Look, the chocolate.
What does it say?
It says fine gold.
Wow, they gave. It says
Everything
dreams.
you hold.
It says dreams come true, guys.
Oh, this is literally a
sign.
message for us. Dreams come true.
There you go.
Wow.
Perfect.
I like this host already. A 5-star host for me, definitely. And yeah, microwave. All the things that you need for the kitchen. I like this. They have exhaust fan for cooking. And of course, this stove. Everything that you need for cooking. It's nice. And yeah, that's pretty much it for a quick tour here on our Airbnb. The AC is so good because it's really warm and it's no joke. But yeah, that's pretty much the quick tour of our Airbnb here in Tbilisi, Georgia. So I'm currently going to try to cook a Georgian dish. It's a chicken Georgian dish called, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, shukmaruli. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm gonna try to cook that one. So I'm just currently preparing the bread because we don't have a bread toaster. Of course, I'm just gonna heat it up on the pan and then just preparing the chicken. I got garlic and some cream, and yeah, I'll cook it later on and we'll show what's the product is. So I don't know if I actually have the actual product, but I'm gonna try it to do on my way and attempt to cook it later on, and we'll let Mel try and see. And of course there's tons of garlic for this dish, so yeah. On the grocery, so it's literally like a full circle. I just slice it, and I'll probably try to translate this one, but that's the bread. And now bread, so I'll just heat it up later because we don't have a bread toaster here, and then I'm gonna start cooking the chicken. Yeah, since I don't have, so they usually put butter with it when they cook it, so butter, garlic, and then I think milk for the sauce. But for me, I decided not to include the butter. Okay, our dinner is served. It's currently, what time is it? 8. It's still pretty bright. Yeah. Summer here is still pretty bright. So this is the chicken with garlic and cream. I put in some garnish, which is parsley, and then some cucumbers, some tomato, vinegar, and bread, of course, with that. And yeah. So we are going to have our dinner.
Mel is excited. So yeah, let's eat. So I got ayran. We got this in the grocery nearby. We've tried it in Turkey.
I think it only exists in Turkey. So if you're in Turkey,
You're familiar with ayran?
yeah, and it's an acquired taste. Like it tastes not good at the first
Yeah.
time, but as you keep drinking it, it becomes much better. So okay, our April's first
So this
Georgian
is not really. So I try to cook it
home
my
cook,
way
yeah.
because I don't like putting butter in it.
Mm,
And this one's only because usually I've noticed their chicken has skin with it.
yeah.
So mine is only breast. So I prefer it this way, but let's hope it's good. Obviously, it's my favorite because there's a lot of garlic, plus with green, and the chicken.
Yeah.
It actually tastes the same. But yeah, it's very good. You should try it.
I'm gonna try it.
Just going to try. I'm actually
first
kind of
time
surprised
trying.
it actually tastes the same,
Is it?
even without the butter.
here?
I forgot. How is it? Right?
So
It tastes
creamy.
the same, yeah.
Creamy chicken.
But it actually tastes the same. I'm actually surprised. Oh, it's perfect with this for sure.
Mm. I think in Georgia, it's like one of the best foods here that we've tried around the world is
Yeah.
in Georgia. So even though Iran is not Georgian,
Mm-hmm.
all the food that we've been eating here is I think we might gain a couple of pounds
We
here.
need to watch your calories.
But yeah, it's so good here. We
Yeah.
might stay a bit longer just because
We love Georgia so much.
yeah.
There's a lot of things to do.
The food,
the wine, the people, the
yeah,
hospitality,
the culture.
the culture, yeah.
Yeah, so
So let's eat.